Welcome to the new Kids Corner. Hi friends, let's learn about the letter E. E is the fifth letter in the English alphabet and it is classified as a vowel letter. Here is a letter E in uppercase. It is also known as a big or capital letter. Now we are going to write uppercase E. Start with the top and make a line down. Go back to the top and make a line across. Then go to the middle and make another line across. Now go to the bottom and make one more line across. Now you try. Here is a letter E in lowercase. It is also known as a small or simple letter. Now we are going to write lowercase e. Start below the middle and make a line across. Next, go up and around to the bottom. Now you try. Shall we learn words starting with letter E? E is for eagle. E is for ear. E is for earbud. E is for earmuffs. E is for earphone. E is for earrings. E is for earth. E is for earthworm. E is for earwig. E is for easel. E is for edge. E is for eel. E is for egg. E is for eggplant. E is for egret. E is for eight. E is for elastic. E is for elbow. E is for elephant. E is for elevator. E is for elf. E is for elk. E is for ellipse. E is for email. E is for emerald. E is for emu. E is for engine. E is for engineer. E is for envelope. E is for era. E is for eraser. E is for escalator. E is for Eskimo. E is for evening. E is for evil. E is for you. E is for excavator. E is for exercise. E is for eye. E is for eyebrow. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. See you on my next video. Love your venue.